The whole internet is talking about ChatGPT, and in this video I'm going to share with you that with the help of ChatGPT how you can create your own strategy of trading and also fundamental analysis in stock market. So make sure you hit the like button and keep watching this video till the end. Alright, so after logging to ChatGPT, I'm going to ask that what is stock market? And now you can see that it is generating the answer that stock market is a marketplace where stocks are bought and sold, and it is a place for investors to trade shares in publicly traded companies such as Amazon or Apple and speculate on their price movements. The prices of stocks are determined by supply and demand, and the stock market provides a way for companies to raise capital by selling shares to the public. The stock market can be used as an indicator of the health of a country's economy as well as a tool for individuals to build wealth over a long term. And now I'm going to ask another question that what is better, trading or investing? And here I got a long detailed answer. It depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. Trading refers to the buying and selling of securities with the goal of generating short-term profits from price movements in the market. Trading is generally more active and involves a higher degree of risk. Also, investing involves buying and holding securities for a long period of time, typically with the goal of building wealth over time through capital appreciation or income from dividends. Investing is generally considered to be a longer term strategy with a lower degree of risk compared to trading. Both trading and investing have their own advantages and disadvantages, and the choice between the two often comes down to an individual's personal financial situation and investment goals. It is always recommended to seek advice from a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. This is how this AI tool works. So now I'm going to ask that suggest me 10 fundamentally strong stocks of Indian market. So here are 10 fundamentally strong stocks in the Indian market as of 2021 to 9, but keep in mind that these may change based on market conditions and future performance. Like stocks are Housing Development Finance Corporation, Tata Consultancy Services, Reliance Infosys, Airtel, HDIL, Kotak, ITC, Larsen and Turbo, HDFC. And now I'm moving to the next question, that is suggest a profitable strategy using Pivot and CPR. And it gave me the strategy that to calculate the pivot point and CPR levels, it is calculated using the previous day's high, low and close prices. The CPR levels are calculated based on the pivot point and are used to determine potential support and resistance level. Buy or sell at support and resistance. If the price approaches a support level, traders will look to buy with the expectation that the price will bounce back up. If the price approaches a resistance level, trader will look to sell with the expectation that the price will reverse. And when to exit the trade, trader will typically exit to trade when price break through a support or resistance level indicating a change in market direction. They may also use stop loss orders to limit potential losses. Just by doing this simple method, you can find many different strategies for you, whether it is for investing or day trading. And now I'm moving to the next part of the video and the most important part of this video, that how to find and implement any trading strategies using a script called Pine script. So let's back on our computer screen, and now I'm asking that can you give me a Pine code of scalping strategy? And here it is. It gave me this type of code and also elaborated in words, that is this script uses two moving averages, 5 period and 20 period. So to generate buy and sell signals, when the 5 period SMA crosses above the 20 period SMA, it generates a buy signal, and when the 5 period SMA crosses below the 20 period SMA, it generates a sell signal. So now copy the above code and open TradingView in your another tab and open any chart that have liquidity, whether it is stocks or indices. And here at the left below of the corner of your chart, you can see Pine Editor. So you have to click this Pine Editor option and click on the pencil icon or create a new strategy and rename it whatever you want. Then paste that code you copied there and save it, but you can see I got an error of version 2. So I'm typing on the top of script /version equals to 4 and converts into the latest version. Then save it and add to your chart. So and then now you can see the net profit from this strategy and also performance history. Look, these are the performance history. Now look at the chart, that if signal works or not. Yeah, signal works quite well, and according to this signal, if you entered right here, then the close entry is here. That is quite profitable. And let's jump randomly to any other day. Look, here also a long entry to close entry is a profitable signal. And then now I'm changing the code fast SMA to 5, and look here, my profit has increased. And like this, you can also do some experiment with the codes to increase your profits and minimum drawdown through ChatGPT. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and do subscribe my channel and comment below if you have any queries related to this video.